Hi there and welcome back, and a belated Happy New Year. I'm slightly late, slightly. Yeah, so the thing is I actually had a shoulder and arm issue, and so I couldn't edit any more videos, right? Yeah. And what I didn't mention is that I actually had surgery on December 4th, right? I think in one of the videos I mentioned that I had a medical procedure, but it was actually major surgery. And it's not related to my cancer tumor or anything like that. But it was a 5.5-hour surgery and I was supposed to rest. Like the doctors were like, rest, don't do anything for 6 weeks. But instead, I was editing videos till like 2, 3 in the morning, like every day. And so no, I didn't rest. And I ended up with a massive infection. Yeah, so like the infection medicine like really made me ill and nauseous. So yeah, so I decided to like take some time to finish all my meds and kind of rest before I give you guys the rest of these videos, right? Yeah, so I will be posting the rest of 25 days of Unboxmas videos in January. I will try to pace myself. So in this video, this is a Fendi reveal. And so this bag, to me, I think is really special, right? And no one's talking about it. Like, no one, right? And it's being so dramatic. Okay, yeah. So I think that this bag is super special, like no one's talking about it. I fell in love right away. And this bag is notoriously not photogenic at all, right? And so I'll share with you the photo because if I saw this in a photo, I would not be interested at all, right? But I saw this at a store and in person, it's fantastic, right? I think it's just one of the more beautiful bags, right? And let's get to the reveal. It's the Fendi Hobo bag with the Zucca print, with gold accents. And with an unknown name. Yeah. And let's give her a twirl. So this bag I saw displayed at a consignment store. The real, not a sponsored video, right? And I couldn't take my eyes off her. And so I have this thing where like, I have to think about a bag for 24 hours before buying it. Yeah, because like impulse buys don't really work well for me at all. Yeah. So I was at the store for like an hour and a half. I tried it on. It looked fabulous. Like I've never seen this print before, right? And this one is slightly different than the Zucca print. The Zucca print is more brown. And this one is light brown. See how light this is, right? And of course it has the gold accents, right? So again, Zucca print and the special version. And the thing that I really like blew me away is I really like these like gold dots on the side, right? So I like to mix graphic prints and patterns. And so this combination I've actually never seen before. And I couldn't like take my eyes off of this, right? And this brown is actually a better color on me than the Zucca brown, like this one, right? Like I love this too, but this is extra special. Like look at this. And I tried to leave the store. Yeah, I was like, look, 24 hours, I have to go home and think about it. But the issue was like, I didn't know the name of this bag. The store didn't know the name of this bag. And then at the store, while I was like looking for this bag on Google, it didn't come up. So I was like, you know what? If I don't buy this now, how am I gonna find this bag again? Yeah, so I bought it. I broke my 24-hour rule, right? I left the store with it. You know, the Real's final sale, right? And yeah, like, so this one was one of the few cases where the impulse buy worked, but yeah, like, I couldn't leave the store without it. Like, I had to have it, for sure. Oh, yes. And the thing is, like, I used to not think fabric luxury bags are worth it, but not anymore. Like, the fabric bags, like this one is light. And it's usually cheaper than leather bags. And this bag like doesn't get in the way. Like this bag is not structured, right? So it's very comfortable. And the thing is like when I was going through chemo, I reached for like the light fabric bags, right? So I like grabbed this one. Yeah, I really went for like the non-structured fabric bags, right? And I like didn't reach for any of like the structured leather bags at all, right? Which like I actually really like structured leather bags, but when you're like not feeling well and I had mobility issues, right? because I had swelling and I was in so much pain. Like, yeah, I carry this a lot. So if you're looking for light luxury bags, fabrics is a way to go. Like fabric, denim, love, love, love. Light, comfortable. I mean, of course, don't spill like wine on this, right? Yeah, but yeah, I like fabric bags as much as leather bags, for sure. So the question is, how much did I save? So I have no idea what the retail price for this bag is, right? Like, I don't even know the name. Yeah, like, I think this bag is super rare. So I paid $1,075. And I probably paid way too much. Yeah. So like a year later, I saw the same one time on a Japanese website. And that was listed at $750. So I probably overpaid by at least $325. And this one is in excellent condition. So that one looked a little bit less excellent condition than this one, right? But yeah, but again, like it is what it is, right? So because this is in excellent condition, like I'm okay with the price, right? I don't think it was a steal. This bag is rare, right? I haven't seen that many of them. So yeah, I'm okay with it. Yeah. But the thing is, like when I go sell this bag, I'm definitely going to lose money. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get $1,075 for this bag, but that's fine. Yeah. Because like I couldn't leave the store without it. Like this is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. So what are my first impressions? You may think that this bag is a special occasion bag, right? But it's not. I can wear this during the day and in the evening. The gold is mixed in with the Zucca print, right? And I think that is why this goes from day to evening really well. And if this wasn't all gold, then this would be a pure evening bag for sure. Yeah. And I love the charm because it doesn't make like the clashing noises like on a Dior bag, right? Like the Dior bag has many charms and they like hit each other. Like, yeah, I don't like charms that are banging against each other, right? And this one just has the one charm, right? Yeah, so it doesn't make any noise, right? And I think this is really cute. Really cute gold accent, right? And of course I like gold hardware, right? Yeah. So for me, this bag is a grab and go bag. So again, this fabric doesn't photograph well at all, right? So let me show you the photo, right? So this is the photo on the website. And after I bought this bag, I came home and I wanted to like look at the description, right? And I saw this photo and went, is this the same bag? Yeah, it does not look like that photo, right? Like the gold doesn't translate. It's slightly shimmery, right? Like, yeah, this is so much prettier in person, for sure. And yeah, I just love the dots against the FFs, right? Like this sold me. I could not leave the store without this bag. I just couldn't. Yeah. And my friends who don't like vintage, like they're shocked that this is a vintage bag, right? And so, yeah, they love this bag. Like I love vintage, I like new, I'm a handbag addict, I love them all, right? I do not discriminate, right? At all. I don't like all vintage bags. I only like some of them. I like vintage bags that, like this, you can wear today and people don't know that this is old. Yeah, I love finding those type of stuff. So I love finding those gems, for sure. Like vintage gems, right? Yeah. And I would recommend this bag to anybody, right? And so of course this comes with the Zucca print, the traditional Zucca print. So if you're into that, then go for that one. Yeah. But for me, this one, the one with the gold, is the best. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy holidays, wherever you are. Hit that like button, and I'll see you soon.